Hello. So you are here for task 3, are you? Good to you. Good for you. So task 3 is install packages on managed hosts. Task 3 is install packages on managed hosts. So create a playbook called DevOps Ansible Package.yaml. I'm going to, oh my god, it's not YML, it's YAML. Let me fix my main file. It doesn't really matter too much. It's not double. I like to use the YAML full thing, full stop. Okay, it doesn't really matter. I can use YML, YAML, whatever, just be consistent. The following tasks regarding package install and management. Install the PHP and MariaDB on hosts dev and test and prod. Install RPM development tools packages group in host, dev and host. Update all packages to the latest version in the dev host group. So these are the packages for this group, these are the packages for this group, and these are the packages for update everything on the dev. Okay, so this is the playbook here, and let me show you that on the console itself. So cat, not cat, that's vi packages .yaml. Okay, so the first is going to install PHP and MariaDB on the dev, test, and host prod. So host is going to be on these machines. Name is to install the package. We're going to use the yum module, and then the packages are going to be MariaDB and PHP, and the latest is the latest version. Second task is going to be install RPM development tools on the dev. It's going to be on the dev. The tasks are going to be install dev. So this is going to be the group. So this is when you do the group list. This is what's going to install and update everything on the dev. Okay, so yeah, update everything on the dev. So let's see. So let's see who is on the dev group. I forget. Cat inventory. So dev is server D, right? So dev is server D. So if I SSH to server D, if I do so minus, DNF group list. Hopefully this will work. So RPM development tools, it shows in the available. Hopefully after this, it's going to show you in the installed. Okay, so now just do Ansible navigator, run packages.yaml -m std out. If you want to do minus check, you can, just to make sure, not make sure, but as a good starting point to see if something pops, or you can just dive into the actual execution. So the check is kind of a dry run of sorts. So this is going to be install run things. So after this, when you go to server D, back to server D, the RPM development should be installed on server D. Again, no cuts, no edits. You're going to watch this real time. Of course, if this is the real exam, you'll be sweating your mustache, because we always think something's going to be wrong. The performance of their machine, it's not the best, so don't worry too much if things take a little while. It's a-okay. Okay, so now if I go back to server D, hopefully it should show as installed. So it's installed now. So a-okay. So these machines are already updated. I made an update beforehand, so this task of the update took little to nothing, because they are already updated. So there was not much to do here. So we installed MariaDB and PHP on the dev, test, and prods. We installed development tools on the dev group, and we updated all the packages to the latest version on the dev host group. Task 3, it's done. Yes, it is. Our task 3 is already done. So we have some marks to be happy about and get optimistic of the rest. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.